My name is Laurie, and this is my daughter, Hannah. We are the mother-daughter duo that make up Journey with the Gingers. But on this trip, it'll be myself and my mom, who we love to call Mimi. We sailed on a 9-day cruise down the East Coast and then to Bermuda on the beautiful Celebrity Summit. In this video, we take you along with us to the magnificent port of Bermuda and end our cruise with one final sea day. Good morning from Bermuda. I'm Laurie with Journey with the Gingers, and Mimi is behind me. Say hello, Mimi.
Hello, Mimi.
She's getting her bag ready to go, and we're gonna walk around Bermuda a little bit today. We're gonna start off with just going to get some breakfast or lunch, whatever it is this time of day. And then we're gonna go see a wonderful act that we heard is really good. She's performing today at 1:30. And what was her name, Mimi?
CeCe.
Her name was CeCe, and she's gonna be, we've heard she's great, so we're gonna go watch her. So after this, you're gonna see us at CeCe's concert. Here we go.
Every woman, it's all in me.
So now we're back in the room, and we are going to get ready, and we're going to head into, we're actually just going to go into Bermuda today. Tomorrow we have an excursion in Bermuda. I didn't mention that we are spending the night. Our ship is staying here overnight. So we don't even have a time that we have to be on the ship today. And we have a excursion tomorrow. So we're just going to get off now, and we're just going to walk down the pier, and we're going to do a little shopping at the local shops. So we'll see what we can find. And this is the view from our cabin today. There's a free shuttle right off the ship that you get on to take you around the island. So we're going to shopping. We're going shopping. So we took the free tram that was right off of, when you get off the ship, you just walk a little bit further down. And there's a free tram that brought you over to this clock tower mall, is what they call it. And they have some shops inside with souvenirs and things like that. So now we're waiting for the tram to come back. It runs until 6 p.m. And we're gonna get on the tram, go back to the ship, and then tomorrow we have a tour in Bermuda. So I'm back in the room. We spent just a little bit of time in Bermuda today because tomorrow we have a full tour that's about 3 hours long, and it includes a lot of shopping and things like that. So we're going to kind of do more tomorrow. Mimi has already gone upstairs because we've decided that we're not going to the dining room tonight. We're just not feeling a sit down kind of dinner. We're going to go to the buffet because the buffet's pretty good on the ship. So we're going to go to the buffet tonight, get something to eat, and then I think we're going to take in a show. So we're taking you with us. I know that there's a show, I think it's like a Frankie Valli, you know, more Mimi's generation show. So we're going to go watch that after we get a bite to eat.
Celebrity Summit, how we doing out there? Okay, that's good. But how about the rest of you? How we feeling? Thank you so much. It's so good to see you all here. When she walks in the room, head high, desire for the edges much to oh, what a night! Oh, what a night!
Good morning, everyone. Mimi and I are still on the Celebrity Summit, and we are docked in Bermuda for day 2. Say good morning, Mimi.
Good morning, Mimi.
And today we have actually a short excursion booked. It is the Pink Sands, Lighthouses, and Shopping Tour. And we're going to be picked up by a van in the front of our ship, pretty close to the once you get off, it should be right there. And it's a 3-hour tour. And we're going to go into Hamilton in Bermuda, do a little shopping. We're going to go to see a lighthouse, and we're going to get some scenic views of the beaches. So let's go. Good morning. Everybody's driving on the other side of the road. Can you drive on the other side of the road, Mimi? Pink sand.
You see it.
Horseshoe bag. So on this tour, we're currently at Gibbs Hill Lighthouse, and it's just a beautiful tour. I really enjoyed it, and the island is gorgeous. I love Bermuda. I think I should come back. So we're sailing away from Bermuda, but Bermuda was gorgeous and I can't wait to come back. Good morning. I'm trying to be quiet because someone is still in the bed. But we did not close out last night because we just kind of came into the room and got lazy. But I'm going to go head up and get some breakfast and just do some, I'm filming a ship tour for you all and let Mimi sleep some. So I'm just going to get started with that, and I'm going to show you what we do for the remainder of the day. This is our last day on the Celebrity Summit, and we are at sea today. So it's the last day, and of course we have been packing, and the thing that we had to do is get our luggage ready. That's going to go down to the terminal in the morning. So we are checking our luggage and having them take it down, and they asked us to have it in the hallway between 6 p.m. and 10 p.m. and they delivered the tags, the luggage tags, to us. Tomorrow we're doing a transfer that we purchased through the cruise ship. I believe it's around $28 a person, and they're going to take us by bus to Newark Airport. And they are asking us to meet them in the Rendezvous Lounge and then go together to the terminal before we get on the bus. So that's the procedure we're going to take. And the rest of the day we kind of did the packing. We went to lunch at the Ocean View Cafe, and we decided we're going to do it again. We're going to have dinner there. We just decided that we wanted to be a little bit more comfortable, so I have my jeans on, and we just wanted to go have buffet again. And then tonight we're going to go watch the Cabaret Broadway show, and we will take you along with us. We've had kind of a cloudy day today, but that's okay. There's a lot of inside activities going on, so we were fine. And that's what the waves are looking like tonight from this evening. And it's quite windy, so, and it's cool. We've had nice cool weather the whole time. But, yep, that's what it looks like right now. It's been a little rainy, but still, we're still in a cruise ship, so it's okay. We found a duck. South Carolina duck, I think this is. Mimi's got a little cold. You got the sniffles. What's your favorite thing about the cruise ship?
I enjoy the excursions. And I enjoy the entertainment. I enjoy the ice cream bar with the homemade.
That was your favorite thing in the buffet?
Yeah.
The ice cream, hand-dipped ice cream, and the cookies. Did you have a good cruise?
Oh, yeah. I could stay another week.
If you get over your sniffles.
Yep, that's not better.
Alright, bye, Mimi.
Goodbye.
My
So this is the end. Mimi, how has your trip been? Besides the fact that you have sniffles.
It's been wonderful.
It's been wonderful.
Yes, except for the sniffles.
And I did test her, y'all. She don't have it.
I don't have nothing but a cold.
She don't have a cold. And we just saw a great show. It was Cabaret Broadway shows, Broadway songs.
It was very good.
It was very good. And so we're wrapping this up. We are going to get ready to go to bed. I might do a little gambling. Mimi's gonna go to bed. She don't gamble.
I'm going to get my good night's sleep.
Yes, so she'll be well to travel. So we'll be flying out tomorrow morning, and we just want to thank you all so much for watching. We had a lot of fun times on this ship. It was a great ship, and I would highly recommend it.
Hope you enjoy it.
Hope you enjoy it. And after this series is over, then you'll have a ship tour of the Celebrity Summit. All right, good night, y'all. If y'all haven't subscribed to our channel, we hope you do so. And if you don't mind hitting that like button, it looks like this, Mimi.
Oh.
Yeah, the like button looks like that. Yep.
Okay.
So hit the like button for Mimi. And we'll catch up with y'all later.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.